Hey kids, help us reach 10,000 likes and lots of new subscribers. Press subscribe now and like our video.
I jump in the bathtub, it's time to get all clean. I'll be the cleanest kid you've ever seen. The soap and the bubbles are filling up the tub, so I'll jump in the water and scrub, scrub, scrub. Wash my hair